Hello everyone, is your US mobile data not working? Don't worry, in this video we will walk you through quick and easy fixes to get your data back up and running. Let's get started. Why US mobile data not working? US mobile server issues. The server may be down or experiencing maintenance affecting service availability. Internet connection problems. A weak or unstable internet connection can hinder US mobile's functionality. Network coverage. Insufficient cellular coverage in your area can affect data access. Fix 1. Refresh network connection. Turning off or on airplane mode will refresh the network connections and resolve any issues. Swipe down the quick settings, turn off airplane mode, wait for 2 seconds and turn it on. Fix 2. Check coverage. You might be in the out of network areas. Make sure you have a good coverage for successful activation. Visit the US mobile coverage map on their website. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter the zip code or address or drag the mouse point to your location and zoom in to see the coverage. Fix the reset network settings. Resetting network settings can fix issues related to network connections and signal problem. On iOS, iPhone or iPad, go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone. Reset network settings, enter a passcode if prompted, then confirm by tapping reset network settings again. Android, open settings, then go to system reset options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. It removes all saved network and paired devices, which can help eliminate conflict or error that may be causing connectivity problems. Fix 4. Change network mode. Switching to LTE long-term evolution allows for faster data speeds and improved overall performance for streaming, browsing and using apps. iOS, iPhone, open settings, go to cellular, then select your SIM card if applicable. Tap on voice and data and select LTE to enable it. Android, open settings, tap on network and internet, SIM card and internet, then go to mobile network, tap on preferred network type and select LTE or 4G from the options available. If LTE is already enabled, change to some other network mode. Wait for a few seconds and again switch to LTE. Fix 5. Check APN settings. Go to US Mobile APN page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Select your device and SIM type. If it is iOS, click Download APN to download it. If it is Android, click View APN Setup Guide and note down it. Update it on your respective device. For iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular or Settings, then go to Mobile, click Cellular Data, Network to go to APN settings. Update the APN settings downloaded from US mobile page. For Android, go to your phone settings, then connections or network and internet, then go to mobile network or mobile network and internet. Select your US mobile SIM, access point name, then go to three-dot menu in the top right, add or new APN. Follow the guide to configure the APN settings. Fix 6. Contact support. There might be an issue with US mobile account. Contact customer support via chat and request to check the issue. Reach out to US mobile customer service through chat. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Email help@usmobile.com or by calling 611 or 878 205 0088.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.